Republic Bank Guyana Limited on Sunday officially opened its 12th local branch at Triumph on the East Coast. President Granger seized the opportunity in his feature address to stress the need for a return to the traditional banking system, particularly mobile banking, which will extend the reach of financial services to unserved communities.
And many areas of Guyana, including some of our newly designated capital towns, have no banks. Currently, Lethem and Port Kaituma do have banks, but many hinterland residents have to make costly overnight trips to access banking services. Commercial banks are encouraged to find innovative means and instruments of expanding their services to hinterland communities. The lack of access to banking services in unserved areas presents a serious constraint to income generation activities.
The new branch provides 32 jobs and is equipped with one ATM machine. All banking services provided at other Republic Bank locations are being provided at the new branch, including night deposits, electronic banking, and residential mortgages. But the president also stressed the need for the continued development of the banking sector.
And the opening of this branch at Triumph Village adds to the spread. It brings to 3 the number of branches on the East Coast alone. By no means should it signal the end of branch expansion in this region or in this country. There is still great potential for the provision of financial services for the eastward and westward, particularly westward, so as to drive economic development of this part of our coastline and the hinterland. Guyana, despite the increase in the number of bank branches, continues to lag behind our Caribbean counterparts in extending financial services.
President Granger added that the opening of the new branch is of immense importance on many fronts. Meanwhile, Chairman of the Board of Directors of Republic Bank Guyana Limited, Nigel Baptiste, said the opening of the branch solidifies one aspect of the bank's vision.
At Republic Bank, service has defined our corporate character and has differentiated us for over 180 years in Guyana. We are focused in our daily interactions on creating and sustaining the kind of relationships that endure, and on generating mutual trust. We believe that we can only succeed in these relationships if we serve you in a way that best satisfies your needs.
Mr. Baptiste observed that locally, opportunities for home ownership and the expansion of small and medium-sized businesses have increased, while adding that Republic Bank's Triumph location is not the last, as it intends to expand the Rose Hall Berbice branch. Royden James, HGP 93 News.